Problem with Drano and chemicals is it may open the line. Drano or other chemicals don't know when to stop. What's happening is your plumbing is getting eaten from the inside out. Naturally, standing water is a telltale sign. You notice, this thing's draining, but it's really not draining as fast as it should. Believe it or not, there's technology in drain cleaning. We have jetters on the truck. They have certain nozzles that they use, different nozzles for different applications. There's a big difference between opening your drain line and cleaning your drain line. Cleaning the drain line, you actually go down and you scrape the sidewalls, get your full diameter of pipe back open and free so you can pass larger objects down the drain. We have the standard cable, that's very old technology. We have a jetter, 4,000 PSI, 9 gallons a minute. We do have various size cameras that we can stick down the drain and say, hey, this is your problem. But it can tell us where the problem is and what's the problem. Worst comes to worst and we have to correct that situation. Then we know where to start and not just start breaking up across the floor.